Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session on a fascinating topic, how to make money with tiny homes. I'm your name, and I'm thrilled to guide you through the exciting world of tiny home entrepreneurship. Whether you're a passionate tiny home enthusiast or looking for profitable business ideas, you're in for a treat. Number 1. Tiny home rentals. Location. Choose a desirable location for your tiny home rental. Scenic areas, near tourist attractions, or close to nature spots are excellent options. Ensure that there's easy access to amenities like grocery stores, restaurants, and transportation. Unique marketing. Highlight the unique features of your tiny home in your marketing efforts. Emphasize the cozy and eco-friendly aspects and showcase how it provides a one-of-a-kind experience compared to traditional accommodations. Professional photography. Invest in professional photography to showcase your tiny home in the best light. High-quality images can attract more potential renters and help them visualize their stay. Price competitively. Research the rental rates of similar accommodations in your area and price your tiny home competitively. Offering a great value will attract more guests and encourage repeat business. Offer amenities. Though tiny homes are compact, ensure they are well equipped with modern amenities. High-quality bedding, a fully functional kitchen, Wi-Fi, and entertainment options can enhance the guest experience. Create an experience. Add personal touches and thoughtful details to create a memorable experience for guests. Consider leaving a welcome basket with local goodies or providing a guide to nearby attractions. Focus on sustainability. Play up the sustainability aspect of your tiny home. Use eco-friendly materials, implement energy-efficient solutions, and encourage eco-conscious practices during guest stay. Number 2. Tiny home vacation resort. Themed tiny homes. Create a variety of themed tiny homes to cater to different tastes and preferences. For example, you could have a rustic cabin-style tiny home, a beach-themed one, or a modern and minimalist design. Communal spaces. Design communal spaces within the resort where guests can socialize, relax, and enjoy shared amenities. This could include a central gathering area, a campfire pit, picnic spots, or a community kitchen. Outdoor activities. Offer outdoor activities that align with the resort's location and theme. This could include nature hikes, guided tours, stargazing sessions, or even yoga and wellness classes. Sustainable practices. Promote eco-consciousness throughout your resort. Implement sustainable practices such as recycling, using renewable energy sources, and encouraging guests to be mindful of their environmental impact. Partnership with local businesses. Collaborate with local businesses to offer unique experiences to your guests. Partner with nearby restaurants, breweries, or adventure companies to provide exclusive discounts or packages. Seasonal events and festivities. Organize seasonal events and festivities to attract guests during different times of the year. For example, host a holiday-themed event or a special celebration for a local festival. Number 3. Custom tiny home builds. Custom tiny home builds is a business venture that involves designing and constructing personalized compact dwellings for individuals or families seeking a unique and efficient living space. Here are some key aspects and considerations to keep in mind when starting and running a custom tiny home builds business. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for custom tiny homes in your target area. Identify your potential customers, their preferences, and the competition in the tiny home industry. Legal and zoning regulations. Familiarize yourself with local building codes, zoning regulations, and permits related to tiny homes. Ensure that your custom builds comply with all legal requirements to avoid issues down the line. Design expertise. Develop a strong understanding of tiny home design principles, space optimization, and sustainable building practices. Clients will expect innovative and functional designs tailored to their specific needs. Building materials and suppliers. Source high-quality and eco-friendly building materials from reliable suppliers. Consider using renewable or recycled materials to align with the sustainability aspect of the tiny home movement. Portfolio and showroom. Create a portfolio showcasing previous custom builds to demonstrate your skills and expertise. If possible, establish a showroom where potential clients can see and experience your work firsthand. Number 4. Tiny home workshops and events. Extending the idea of tiny home workshops and events, here are some practical steps and tips to organize successful workshops and events centered around tiny homes. Identify your target audience. Determine the specific target audience for your workshops and events. Are you catering to aspiring tiny home builders, those interested in sustainable living, or individuals looking for design inspiration? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your content accordingly. Workshop topics. Offer a variety of workshop topics that cover different aspects of tiny home living. Some ideas include tiny home building, interior design and space optimization, off-grid living solutions, and sustainable practices. Inviting guest speakers. Invite guest speakers who are experts in the tiny home industry or related fields. Their insights and experiences can add value to your workshops and attract more participants. Hands-on activities. Incorporate hands-on activities and demonstrations during the workshops. Allow participants to engage in building small structures or mock-up designs to get a practical feel for tiny home construction. Venue and facilities. Select a suitable venue that can accommodate the number of attendees and any hands-on activities. Ensure the venue has the necessary facilities, such as projectors, seating, and appropriate safety measures. Number 5. Tiny home accessories and decor. Expanding on the idea of tiny home accessories and decor, here are some practical steps and strategies to create and market products that cater to tiny home living. Product selection. Curate a collection of accessories and decor items that are specifically designed for small spaces. Focus on multifunctional and space-saving products that enhance the functionality and aesthetics of tiny homes. Customization options. Offer customization options for your products to cater to individual preferences and needs. Allow customers to choose colors, sizes, and materials that suit their tiny home's interior design. Sustainable materials. Emphasize the use of eco-friendly and sustainable materials in your product offerings. This aligns with the values of many tiny home enthusiasts who prioritize environmentally responsible living. Practicality and versatility. Ensure that your accessories and decor items serve a practical purpose and have multiple uses. For example, wall-mounted shelves with hidden storage or foldable furniture that saves space when not in use. D-kits. Consider offering D-kits for customers who enjoy hands-on projects. Provide step-by-step instructions and pre-cut materials to help them assemble their own space-saving solutions. Thanks for watching.